Hey, what's up, tactical enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool tactical gear and gadgets that are an absolute must-have for anyone who loves adventure, survival, or just wants top-notch military-grade equipment. Whether you're a first responder, a hunter, or just a gear junkie, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We've got 10 incredible products that could be the game changer in your kit. Let's jump right into it. First up, we've got the EVERLIT Advanced Emergency Trauma Kit. Imagine this, you're deep in the wilderness, miles away from help, and disaster strikes. What you have in your kit could be the difference between life and death. That's where this trauma kit steps in. Designed by military veterans, this kit is like having a portable ER. Let's talk about some of its key features. Massive bleeding control. It comes with a military-grade tourniquet, pressure bandage, and compressed gauze, everything you need to stop severe bleeding. Breathing and hypothermia treatment. With chest seals and a thermal blanket included, you can prevent lung collapse and keep the patient warm in case of shock. Bone fracture management. The splint roll, triangular bandage, and elastic bandage will stabilize any fractures until help arrives. So, if you're serious about survival, this kit is a no-brainer. Next up, night vision goggles that make you feel like you're straight out of a superhero movie. Whether you're hunting, camping, or on a security mission, these goggles have got your back. Check this out. 4K video and 36 MP images. Capture insanely high-quality footage and photos even in pitch-black conditions. 3-inch HD screen. You get a crystal-clear display, so no squinting or guesswork, just sharp, crisp visuals. Motion detection and anti-shake. Ever tried filming a moving target in the dark? It's tough, but not with these features. Smooth, stable footage every time. With these goggles, you'll see the night in a whole new light. Literally. Let's talk about navigation, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, you want to be 100% sure you're going the right way. The Cammenga Tritium lensatic compass is military grade and built to last. Self-powered illumination. It has tritium that keeps glowing for 12 years. Yeah, you heard that right, no batteries needed, just constant illumination even in total darkness. Durability. It's shockproof, water-resistant, sandproof. You name it, this compass can handle it. Precision. With accuracy to within +/40 mils, you'll always know exactly where you're headed. This is the kind of gear you can depend on when it matters most. If you need a backpack that's as tough as you are, the Dust Tactical Backpack is it. This thing is lightweight but durable, making it perfect for day trips or multi-day missions. Comfort. Even when it's fully loaded, the ergonomic design makes sure it's comfortable to carry. Modular design. The MAL system lets you customize it with pouches and accessories to fit your specific needs. Durability. Made from water-resistant 500D Cordura fabric, it can survive pretty much anything Mother Nature throws at it. This is the kind of gear that's ready to go wherever you are. When you're out in the elements, the Rothco Special Operations Softshell shirt has you covered literally. Water-resistant and windproof. 3-layer construction keeps you dry and blocks the wind, so you stay comfortable in unpredictable weather. Breathability. If things heat up, the underarm zippers let you vent and cool off without sacrificing protection. Durability. Reinforced forearms and adjustable cuffs ensure this shirt lasts, no matter how rough things get. For tough conditions, this softshell is a top contender. For you paintball or airsoft fans, safety is key, and this tactical paintball helmet delivers. Protection. Made from high-strength ABS plastic, this helmet can take a hit and keep you protected. Adjustable fit. Thanks to the dial knob and chin strap, you can get a snug, secure fit. Ventilation. Airflow is key when you're in the heat of the game, and this helmet has vents to keep you cool under pressure. Not only will you look the part, but you'll also stay safe. Comfort and durability, two things you need in tactical boots. These men's lightweight military tactical boots are built for any environment. Durability. Full-grain leather and nylon keep these boots strong yet breathable. Comfort. With an EV midsole and rubber outsole, they provide cushion and support even on rough terrain. Traction. Whether it's rocky ground or muddy paths, the non-slip rubber sole gives you serious grip. These boots are built to take you anywhere. When it comes to tactical pants, the IDOGEAR G3 combat pants are top of the line. Durability. The Teflon-coated polyester resists water and tears. Comfort. The stretch fabric means they move with you, not against you, ideal for high-energy situations. Functionality. Tons of pockets for storing all your essentials, so you're never without what you need. These are more than just pants, they're a tool for the mission. This is a classic. The Ka-Bar 1217 is legendary in the world of tactical knives. Durability. Made from 1095 Krovan steel, this knife is built to last. Sharpness. Razor sharp out of the box and easy to maintain. Iconic design. This is the knife trusted by military personnel for decades. It's a piece of history with practical use. Last but not least, we've got the Signal Camping Multi-Tool. This thing is a survivalist dream. It packs 19 tools into one compact package. Versatility. From pliers to wire cutters, a knife, a saw, and even a fire starter, it's got everything you need. Compact design. Easily fits in your pocket or pack. Durability. Made with high-quality materials that can take on the elements. It's small, but it packs a punch when it comes to functionality. So there you have it. 10 must-have tactical military gear and gadgets that can upgrade your outdoor adventures, survival kit, or tactical missions. Links for all these products are down in the description, so be sure to check them out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment which gadget you're excited to try, and of course, subscribe for more tactical gear reviews. See you next time.